This is going to be a quick review of the MAONO condenser USB mic. This is a full kit to get you started with professional sound recordings for voiceovers, YouTube, and podcasts. Throughout this video, I'll be using this mic to actually record this review. Setting up this mic was really easy and I didn't need to use any instructions. This voice recording kit includes everything you need to get started, which is great because it saves you time from having to hunt each individual accessory. The first thing you'll do is mount it onto your desk, and you'll use the shock mount to avoid any vibrations in your voice recording. The package includes a windscreen and a pop filter. I found the pop filter the most useful of the two, and I'll demonstrate this later in the video. It comes with a very long USB cable that is 95 inches, so you'll have no troubles having this mic far away from your PC or Mac. The mic itself feels like premium quality due to its weight, and the build quality is really solid, and I personally love the look. The mic includes zero latency monitoring, and it has a mute button, which I'll demonstrate later in the video. And of course, it includes a flexible extension arm, which allows you to mount the mic so that you can have it in any position you want. This accessory is absolutely necessary if you want to have a very ergonomic experience while recording your audio. Being able to position the mic in any position so that you don't have to strain your neck or your back while recording is essential for me, and it's something that I really appreciate having. In terms of the sound quality, you are hearing to what it sounds like, and for me it sounds really good, especially compared to some of the rivals that are more expensive and don't include an extension arm. I think this mic best captures the natural sound of my voice with a little bit more emphasis on bass or lower frequencies. And throughout this entire video, I'm using the pop filter to prevent any plosives, any loud sudden burst of air coming into the mic. So this is really essential to have, and I really find it amazing that they include a pop filter in this kit. Lastly, having an easy mute button has been very convenient so that you don't accidentally record yourself while streaming. And the zero latency monitoring is actually a very fantastic feature, and it works really well. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how the pop filter works. So basically, you attach it right onto the extension arm and you just cover the mic. And what you're going to do is you're going to speak normally into the mic. But when you say things that have plosives, so big burst of air into the mic, it's supposed to capture it and prevent it from happening. So if I say, "Give me pizza pronto," and it's supposed to prevent that from happening, you shouldn't hear any sudden like loud burst of sound. But if I remove it, "Give me pizza pronto," "Give me pizza pronto," "Give me pizza pronto," "Give me pizza pronto," you should be able to see the difference there. Now, one of the things about this mic is that it's a cardioid pattern, which means that you're supposed to speak directly square on to this side. This is where actually the capsules, this is where the actual microphone is, and you're supposed to speak it to like this. You're not supposed to speak it like here or like to the side. In fact, we'll do a test. So right now I'm going to be speaking into the mic, and I'm going to go to the side, and then you're going to see that it's going to be a little more muffled. Now I'm going to rotate it completely. I'm speaking right behind the mic, and it should be pretty muffled. Now I'm coming back to where you're supposed to speak, and yep, this is what it's supposed to sound like. Go to this left side and then go to the back. So that's how that works. Now on top of that is actually mounted on a shock mount, which prevents any kind of vibration. So if you like kind of shake the desk, it's supposed to absorb that and actually prevent the mic from making any distracting noises to the user. So this is actually an amazing kit, and I really love the flexibility, being able to move this around, move it away, and configure it specifically to the ergonomic type of angle at which I'm using the mic is absolutely amazing, and I really love this mic. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm using the monitoring, and I am listening to myself speak as I speak into the mic, and it's actually fantastic. There's no lag at all. The latency is absolutely zero between what I am saying and what I'm hearing. And monitoring your audio is very helpful when you're recording so that you don't hear any kind of differences in your volume as you speak. And right now we're going to be testing the mute function on this microphone. I'm going to be continually talking on the microphone, and then I'm going to press the mute button. And now it's back on, and now you can hear me. So that's just a full test of how the monitoring works and the mute button works. Anyways, that's it for this video. I really hope it helped you make an informed decision when purchasing your USB condenser microphone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.